Hey, so welcome back to the channel. So if this is your first time tuning in, I'm Mike. And what Christian and I want to do today is give you a little taste of how our 2024 has been and the outlook for 2025. I just want to say that we are incredibly grateful that you've been a part of this incredible journey with us. From bustling cities to serene beaches, this year taught us so much about travel, ourselves, and YouTube. So today what Christian and I want to share with you is what we learned in 2024 and what's in store for 2025.
That's right. This year we visited some amazing places. We went to Vietnam, the Philippines, Taiwan, South Korea, many cities within South Korea. We have learned so many lessons. We have had unforgettable moments and we encountered even challenges. So we're going to dive in what we learned this year.
One of the first things that we learned that travel is as much about the people as it is the places. Whether it was sharing meals in Vietnam, exploring the hidden gems of the Philippines, or connecting with the locals in South Korea, or even just learning the culture of Taiwan, the human element made our journey even richer.
Another big takeaway. Preparation is important. Believe me, you have to plan your trip, but you have to be flexible. Sometimes the best memories or your trip is based on taking the wrong turn or unplanned moments. So for example, we got lost in Seoul and we found the best food street stall and that made the whole trip. So again, be flexible.
And of course, the YouTube grind taught us a lot too. Creating meaningful content while traveling isn't easy, but it's also very rewarding. We found inspiration from some of the amazing creators like Lisa and Josh, the early retirement travelers. And also I'd be remiss if I didn't give a shout out to Rob the Maritimer and the guys at Live Video School who taught us about the element of creating in general and the lessons that they've learned through their numerous years on YouTube. So thanks to all of you.
Now we're going to talk about 2025. We're super excited to start planning some trips. We are going to go to Malaysia in January. We are planning to visit Japan, including Okinawa and Kyoto. And of course, one of my bucket list places, Thailand. We haven't decided yet where in Thailand, but we're excited to share all these trips with you guys.
So we've heard many stories over the years about Malaysia's vibrant culture and delicious food. From Kuala Lumpur skyline to the rainforest, we can't wait to explore it all.
In Japan, we're planning to visit Okinawa, which of course, you have the sandy beach and the beautiful weather. And hopefully we can make it to Kyoto, which has the historic charm. And fingers crossed, maybe we'll be able to see some of the cherry blossoms during that time.
And Thailand, what can we say? Stunning beaches, big cities, and some of the best street food in the world. It's a dream destination for us.
As we close the year 2024, we just want to share that our intent continues to be the same. We want to inspire you, encourage you, educate you, just to get out of your house, no matter how big your budget is or your physical activity. We'll keep sharing tips, we'll keep sharing our stories and moments that will spark your desire to travel and see the world around us. Thank you for making 2024 an amazing year for us. It was our first year doing YouTube, and thank you for your support and for following us along in this amazing trip.
Here's a 2025, bigger adventures, deeper connections, and more inspiring stories. So see you soon.
Safe travels, and hopefully we'll get to see you on the road.